Okay, so these Bosch injectors have went in, everything perfect. My major concern was the clearance here, and as you can see, you have a few millimeters of space. Maybe about maybe not a few, maybe about 1.5 to 2 millimeters of space there. I don't know, maybe about that. And the savior is the fact that this could swivel too, right? So that come in real handy. This could swivel too, so you get just enough space there. And I mean, these short injectors, very short injectors, look at them, everything fit nice. So this have to go back down. See, right, that I gotta put that down there as soon as I stop the video. Right, that have to go back down, but yeah, everything looking nice and beautiful. Fitment pretty good. I guess Radium designed the fuel rail around that, so that everything will fit now. Right, with the short injectors, my concern was that with these short injectors, it would have come low and touch this connector here, but that is not the case. Right, everything real nice. Okay, I'll wipe up and thing, I'll just settle there. No more adapters. Right, the extended tip went in there nicely. Right, so my problem though, no starting today because I have to get a Bosch 5 micron filter that is incoming. Right, so I have to get a Bosch 5 micron filter. Then I have to figure out how I'm mounting it now to get everything to fit pretty nice and decent. So yeah, that's it there. Real nice fitment, I'm real happy. What gonna make me happier is once I start the vehicle and everything hunky dory. We have our ECU programming to do there. I just adjust the size of the injectors on the tune brain, and we will be good to go. Hopefully, fingers crossed.